Hello, lovelies. So, wow, this is our glycerine soap base that we made, and out of it, I made this beautiful turmeric soup from it. Okay, what a wonderful kind of product. Once again, thanks so much for stopping by to my channel. You are really welcome. Okay, let's get into it. If you have not watched the glycerine soap base, please do go and wash it, and then so that you can flow along with us as we prepare it together. Thanks so much for stopping by. And so this is our glycerine soap base that we do sometimes. Okay, and then I'm making this turmeric soap. If you need exfoliating soap, this is one of them. Tumeric soap. Okay, so what do I do? Out of this turmeric soap, I'll be cutting some into pieces. We slice some of them and then cut it into pieces. And how do we cut it into pieces, or why do we cut it? You remember some of these pieces before that I used, and so I will be cutting them. The essence of cutting them is to allow it to melt quickly, so that it is easier to melt, because we have to melt it first before we can put our turmeric. Okay, if you have not watched this video, you need to watch it. People are rushing it, washing it. Very simple, step by step in making your glycerin soap base. Okay, and if you have ever heard of melt and pour, this is exactly what we are talking about. So this base has already been made, and so we are now cutting it. We want to melt it to customize it. That's one advantage about this melt and pour. Having made your glycerin soap base, you can customize it as you want. All you need to do is just melt it. So you can see it now. The ones I've cut, I've melted it on the double boiler. That is not directly on fire. I put it in a pot, in a stainless pot, and then put it in a boiling water, and behold, look at it, it has melted. This how it was before it solidified, and so it have to be melted back for us to customize it. Thanks so much. This is a beautiful tutorial. I'm sure you are gaining something there. If you are here to like, please do like it. And if you're a new subscriber, if you're a new viewer, please do subscribe, so that each time I upload new content, you'll be among the first set of people that will receive it. And there I pour the turmeric powder. It's just about 3 grams, because the quantity I'm using is not much, and so just customize. It depends on how much you want it to be deep, of course. So the next thing is that you will mix it thoroughly. Let the turmeric mix very well, let it dissolve very well. Okay, take your time. It's very simple, it's not difficult. If you have not watched the glycerin soap base, please do watch it, and you will find it very simple. Okay, so you can at this time, what you saw me pour is the fragrance, so that you can give it very good scent, so that as you bath with it, you'll be enjoying even the scent. And here it is, pouring it into the mold. Okay, you can see it. So when it's in this form, of course it will come out beautifully. You need to wait and see the end of it, how it is very beautiful. It came out shiny, it came out looking glossy, looking glassy self. In fact, oh my god, This is the result of the soap. Look at it. Look at how it's shiny. Can you imagine your body eating this? Even your body will be shining now. Your body will say, thank you very much for using this kind of soap on me. Yes. Very simple. It doesn't take time before you make your soap with this soap base. It makes it easier because the soap base itself is already well prepared. Don't worry, I will still use this soap base to make other soap products, okay? Thanks so much for stopping by. Thanks so much for staying till now. If you are staying till now and you are here to comment, just say hi, say like you like it, say one thing or the other. Encourage me by sharing it. Encourage me by liking it. God bless you. When else I produce other video, you will definitely get there. Keep liking it. Keep sharing it. God bless you. God will increase you. You will bless your businesses and every other thing you lay your hands on. Bye for now. I will see you on my next video. Keep selling. Keep making progress. Bye.